Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Wednesday, October 31st, 2022. The time is 8:46. I'm going to get going early again. I've been having such good luck with it. Let's try the NQ.
Order filled.
Here we go. It's been running
Order
up. There
canceled.
we go. I'm going to leave this one run. Look at that. Keep going higher, baby. 94.
Order filled.
Yep. All right, we got $3 grand right out of the gate.
Order submitted.
There we go. Come on, get up there. Do it again.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Yeah. It's getting a little, I don't know if it's going to keep going up. It's hitting a level. This is the top of it. And we're up 57 in just a few minutes. All right, let's try it again. I just don't know if it's got gas. No, I don't think it does. There's not enough gas in that engine to get higher. So I will wait. What goes up should come down. Yeah, look at that. That's right. See where that line, that's the price line? I just don't know. I sure as heck don't want to give $5 grand back. Yeah, a little late for that. A little late for that. All right. Got room to go up to that point. Let it roll. This is the chance you take. Especially it's early. This could be what they call a head fake for a longer move up. What is the VIX? I haven't looked at that. Okay, the NQ is up 51 points and the VIX is down, so yeah, it's coming down. It's coming back to this level right there, I bet you. See how many touches? Oh yeah, look at that left. That's been touching right here. Just at the open. Here we go. Always look left, they told me. They keep telling me. There's another attempt to try to break it. Didn't work.
Order filled.
Here's another attempt.
Order canceled.
Come on, try it again. Break it.
Order filled.
Yeah. Let's hold off. See what we got here. It's getting close to my goal. Yeah, I'm at my goal. Oh, it's 8. It's 878. You cannot. 8:51. Only in a few minutes. But yeah, I don't take chances that much. All right, let's see what we got here. 367, so we're looking at about $8,300. Let's look. Thought calculator. 8782 minus 367. 8,400 bucks. 267 is what I'm on pace for this month, so I think I'm going to take that and run. Looks like the longest was 11.11 minutes. 0.11 minutes, so it was a fast at this early. Yeah, 97%. Can't fudge that. I mean, that's great. Awesome. Awesome day. All right. Thanks for watching. I will keep making the videos, guys.